Now we see the next type is that starts with having and ends with. This is the first example. Construct a DFA for language L which consists of a string, starts with A, having B as a substring and ends with C over the alphabet A, B, C. Now here we can write the language. Starts with A and having B and C as a, ends with C. Okay. Now see here. Again starts with A and having B. In between A will be occur. Okay. Starts with A, having B, ends with C. B will be occur. Then having starts with A, having B, ends with C. C will be occur. Okay. Now see here. Starts with A, having B. In between having and ends with A will be occur. Starts with A, having B and ends with C. In between B will be occur. Again starts with A, having B, ends with C. In between C will be occur and so on. Okay. Now regular expression will be starts with A, having B and ends with C. Okay. In between starts with and having number of A's will be occur, B's will be occur, C's will be occur. In between having and ends with number of A's will be occur, B's will be occur, C's will be occur. Okay, this is the regular expression. Now see here the transition diagram. See here, A starts with A, having B, ends with C. Okay, starts with A, having B, ends with C. Now starts with A, so here we can add one more state, that is the dead state. If string starts with B and C, which is invalid, so we can give it to the dead state. Okay, this is the starts with. Now see here, having. In between starts with and having, number of A's will be occur, number of B's will be occur, number of C's will be occur, but B is already given, so here we can give the self loop of A or C. Okay. Now having B, after this B, C will be given, A will be occur, then what can I do? A, B. Okay. B will be occur, then what can I do? I cannot give here self loop of a B. Okay. Now see here, if B will be occur, then having and ends with, in between number of A's will be occur, B's will be occur, C's will be occur. Okay. Then before that see here, if here number of having and ends with, in between number of A's will be occur, B's will be occur, C's will be occur. C is already given, so here we can give the self loop of A or B. Now check. Now see here, after this C ends with what? Ends with C. So here we can give the self loop of a C. But after this C, A will be occur, then give here B will be occur, given to the Q2 because A, C, B, C. Okay. Now see here, Q0, ABC, Q1, ABC, Q2, ABC, Q3, ABC. Okay. Next example, starts with 0, having 1, 1, ends with 2. Ends with 2 over the alphabet 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then the language will be starts with 0, having 1, 1 as a substring and ends with 2. Starts with 0, having 1, 1, 2. 0 will be occur. Starts with 0, 1 will be occur. Starts with 0, 2 will be occur. Okay. Then starts with having 0 will be occur. Starts with having 1 will be occur. Starts with having 2 will be occur and so on. The regular expression will be starts with 0, after that number of zeros, number of ones, number of twos will be occur. Then having 1, 1, after that number of zeros, number of ones, number of twos will be occur. After that ends with 2. Now see here, zero, 1, 1, 2. Okay. Now see, starts with 0. So we can add here dead state. if string starts with 1 or 2, it will become invalid. 0, 1, 2. Okay, now starts with and having. In between these two, number of zeros will be occur, number of ones will be occur, but 1 is already given. Then here, if 0 or 2 will be occur, we can give here, because we cannot give here self loop. It will become 0, 1 or 2, 1. So which is invalid. The condition is that having substring 1, 1. So we can give 0 or 2 to the Q1. Now see here, in having and in between having and ends with, number of zeros will be occur, 2's will be occur. 2 is already given. So here we can write the self loop of a 1, and it ends with, now see here, it ends with 2. Okay, so here we can give the self loop of a 2. Then if 0 or 1 will be occur after these two, then we can go back to the 3, 0, 2, 1, 2, which is the transition diagram of a string starts with 0, having 1, 1 as a substring and ends with 2, 2.